Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical outlook. In previous trading session, index opened with an upward gap and it has witnessed extreme volatility on the either side throughout the session, which led index to close around 8417 with gain of 19 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a small bullish candle carrying long upper shadow indicating profit booking as well as selling pressure at higher levels. Since past 5 consecutive sessions, index is consolidating within 8450 to 8370 levels, indicating short-term sideways trend. It is also indicates it is lack of strength on either side. Hence, from current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8430 levels, then it may witness further buying momentum, which may lead index towards 8460 to 8500 levels. From current levels, immediate intraday support zone is around 8390 levels. Any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking in the range of 8370 to 8350 levels. Currently, Nifty is sustaining above its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. Hence, any correction towards support level will remain as a buying opportunity for short term traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI continues to remain in positive territory and it is sustaining above its reference line, indicating strength ahead. Whereas the momentum indicator stochastic is in negative territory and it is quoting below its reference line, indicating possible consolidation or profit booking at current level. Some positive bias stock for the day are Hindalco, ABB, Grasim, Mindtree, IGL, ACC, ONGC, Marico and Amara Raja Battery. Whereas some negative bias stock for the day are REC Limited, Idea, Dr. Reddy and Dish TV. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened with a downward gap and it has remained sideways in initial hours. However, buying momentum at lower levels led USD to close near day's high. It has closed around 68.16, gaining 0.11%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a sizable bullish candle carrying long lower shadow indicating buying support at lower levels. At current levels, USD is sustaining below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which remains bearish sign and indicate bearish sentiment ahead. On the daily chart, USD continues to consolidate within the range of 68.50 to 67.90 level, representing short-term sideways trends. Hence, any decisive breakout above 68.50 levels will indicate further buying momentum. For the day, if USD trade and sustains above 68.20 levels, then it may witness intraday buying momentum in the range of 68.30 to 68.40 levels. On the downside, immediate intraday support zone is around 68.10 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory and they are quoting below 50 mark, indicating selling may arise on pullback rally. Thank you.